Hello friends, how are you today? You are watching my channel Eat Wise by Mansi, and I am going to show you how to make a soft and fluffy cottage cheese, that is paneer made from cow's milk, and show you the tikka made in the toaster. Watch the recipe till the end to know which type of protein is in paneer and its benefits. Subscribe to the channel and like and share the recipe. And when I get the comments, I get motivated to show you more such new recipes. Let's take a look at the recipe without wasting time. Today the video is a bit longer than usual as I have shown the recipe in very detail. Take a deep vessel to boil 1 liter of cow milk. Make sure that the milk does not stick to the bottom and get burnt. We will squeeze 1 medium lemon in this small bowl. Add some water in it. Add 1 teaspoon of salt when the milk comes to boil. No, the milk will not curdle if you add the salt. Add 3/4 of lemon juice from the bowl. Let it boil for some time. The milk will get curdled slowly. Add rest of the juice only if required. There is little left in the bowl. See how slowly the lumps are forming. You will need to keep stirring this. Otherwise it will get stick to the bottom and burn. The protein in paneer is the casein. This is a slow releasing protein and the best time to eat it is in the evening by say 7 or 7:30. Your muscles will absorb the casein during the night in your resting period, which minimizes the muscle breakdown and helps in faster recovery. See, the lumps are forming very nicely now and the water is somewhat becoming transparent. Take a muslin cloth and place it in the strainer. There is a big vessel below to collect the water. Also keep another vessel ready with some ice and cold water. Strain all the water from the paneer. Close the ends like this and make a knot. Be careful, the paneer is very hot. Squeeze out all the water. Now dip this potli in the water. Let it stay there till the paneer cools down to the room temperature. Now we have to give this paneer a nice shape. So put some heavy things on it. You can also keep it on a flat surface. No need of strainer here. Now here is the moment of revelation. Let's see how this has turned. Oh wow, came out a pretty good shape. है ना? Let's cut and see. See, it's so soft and fluffy. Cut it into more pieces of squares. The water which remains is the whey protein. Don't throw it away. So use this water in soups, dals and curry and keep some to prepare your next paneer instead of lemon juice. It will turn more softer and fluffier than before. So friends, enjoy the paneer as it is or make this recipe which I am going to show you now. Okay, so let's measure and see how much we have got here. Measure the bowl first, then bring it back to 0. Now we will get the weight of paneer. Okay, so 1 liter of cow's milk will make 125 gram of paneer. 1 liter of buffalo milk makes 250 gram paneer. We will cut the vegetables for tikka now. I have all 3 colors of peppers here. Take out a slice of this pepper. This way. Remove the stem and I will try this to cut it into squares. Very difficult to get the squares with these shapes. Okay, this will do. Now here is the onion. We'll separate each slice. Yeah, perfect. I am taking these big 5 pieces and the rest small ones I am going to use in my salad, which will be shown on next Tuesday. Now we'll come to the marination part. Take a bowl and add 3 tablespoons of thick curd. It's not hung, but it's enough thick. If you don't have such thick curd, then make the hung curd. I already have this ready paste in the fridge. It has coriander, green chili, ginger garlic, red chili powder and little salt. I am using 1 heaped spoon of this paste in our marination. Adding some Kashmiri red chili powder more, tandoori or garam masala powder, hing, turmeric powder, salt and some black pepper as per taste. We should consider vegetables and paneer also, as I have not seasoned them. I am also adding some chaat masala here. Mix it properly. Now dip these paneer pieces in the marination this way. I'll show you one more. The marination should properly get coated on the paneer. Marinate all the remaining pieces in the same manner. The paneer may crumble while mixing, so keep it separate. Now add this marinade to the vegetables also. Prepare this marination in advance and keep it in fridge or at least for half an hour aside. Preheat the toaster or grill, whichever you are using. You can also make this in a pan. I am using these wooden skewers as I am roasting them in a toaster. Arrange the paneer and vegetables on the skewers. Add one by one paneer and vegetables. See that all the vegetables are there on one skewer and there is slight gap between them. Apply some oil on the plate with the brush. I have used here olive oil. Place these skewers on the hot plate. Can you hear the sizzling sound? Close the toaster. It will take only 4 to 6 minutes to get it done. See the color. Just 2 minutes are needed more. Let the water dry out completely. Your paneer tikka is ready. Take out from the toaster very slowly or it will crumble. Have you subscribed to this channel yet? Did you like today's video? If you make paneer at home using my recipe, then do post the photos on my Facebook page Eat Wise by Mansi.